All right, number 19. The graph of a line in the xy plane passes through the point 1, comma 4 and crosses the x-axis at the point 2, comma 0. The line crosses the y-axis at the point 0, comma b. What is the value of b? Okay, so this one we could do it graphically. So if we graph it, so the numbers are not too big, right? So we could graph it and then we could use the graph, we plot the point at 1, comma 4, plot the point 2, comma 0. We can kind of see where the slope is, right? And then we can kind of send the line and figure out the 0, comma b will be the y-intercept, okay? Because that's where it crosses the y-axis. So you could use a graph, and this one, I think it can definitely work. Right? If we're gonna solve it algebraically, what we can do is we can try to figure out the equation of this line. We know it's a linear equation, right? So a straight line. So it should be, we use the slope intercept form, y equal to mx plus b. Okay, so m is a slope and b is a y-intercept. Okay, so what we can do is we can actually solve for the slope first, and then we can use a point to solve for the y-intercept. Okay, so to find the slope, we know these 2 points are on the line 1, comma 4 and 2, comma 0. So the slope, we can do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, that's the slope formula. So you plug it in, this will be, you can do 0 minus 4 on the top, and then on the x2 minus x1 will be 2 minus 1 on the bottom. And we solve that is 0 minus 4, negative 4. On the bottom, 2 minus 1 is 1, so we get negative 4, 1, which is just negative 4. Okay, so the slope of the line should be negative 4. Then we plug in for m there, it'll be negative 4x plus b. And then to solve for b, that's our goal, right? We want to figure out what's a y-intercept. So you can just plug in a point. So it doesn't matter which point we plug in. Let's just say we plug in the first one. Okay, so we're now going to plug in 1, comma 4. So remember, the first number is the x value, second number is our y value. So we can just plug it into the equation. So this will be y will be 4 equal to negative 4 times x is 1 plus b. Solve this out. 4 equal to negative 4 plus b. And then do plus 4 on both sides. We get b equal to 4 plus 4, which is 8. Right? And that should be the b value, which is the y-intercept. Okay? And that's the answer. All right, so that's how we do it algebraically. So if we do it graphically, we should have the same answer. The y-intercept should be at 0, 8.